So there, this beautiful celestial lady is standing in the courtyard at Yavat. So beautiful, nose ring, and her head is cast down, and she's just looking away so shyly. You can't even imagine the modern world, because modern women and shyness are oceans apart. There's an ocean apart between a modern woman and Lajja. So this woman is Krishna, and she says she wants. This is Prem Samput I'm describing by Vishnu Chakravarti Pad, and she's standing there, and Lalita says, "Oh." Imagine one day you walk in going out of your bedroom and you walk in your living room and there's some stranger standing there. Oh, hello, what are you doing here? So that's how it's described. That one day suddenly appearing in the courtyard of Radharani in Yavat, which means her royal palace, which was built by her father, which is just north of her husband's, so-called husband's house, which is rather small. And Vrishabhadra didn't think that was appropriate for his daughter, so he built a big palace right next to it. And that's Radharani's quarters, and behind it is the little quarters of Abhimanyu and Jatila. Now you see some little brick building, but in the Leela, this is described. So Radharani's there, and then Lalita says, "Oh, there's a very beautiful, looks like a Gandharva, so radiant, so beautiful, but so shy. She's standing in the courtyard." "Really? Oh, well, bring her to me." So then they took her by the arm, and she had her head was covered, looking down, looking like this. And then, so Radharani said, "Oh." And then, so first few verses, Radharani's glorifying this beautiful celestial damsel, who's Krishna, disguised as a gopi. And then she says, so Radharani's glorifying this lady, but actually, because it's Krishna, it's all glorification of Krishna. So Radharani's saying, "I've never seen such a beautiful lady before. Your Sham Varna, your bluish complexion is so radiant. I'm amazed, and your ornamentation." And she goes on and all these adjectives and superlatives to glorify this lady that just showed up one day in her courtyard. And Krishna, Vishnu says, Krishna, Krishna, the female Krishna, she's looking down and drinking the nectar through her ears. Like, oh, wow. And then said, "So where have you come from?" And so the whole time, the lady's silent. The young lady is silent. "Where have you come from? What is your name? Why aren't you speaking?" And going on, Radharani saying so many things. And why she's saying that, she's saying, perhaps your lover left you and you're feeling lonely? Is that why you're not speaking? You're feeling so dejected that you came here today to meet me and open your heart to me? Are you feeling like that? I understand how you feel. You know, I feel so much love for my own beloved, my Shyam Sundar, but sometimes, he doesn't come, and then Krishna is saying, yeah. Because Vishnu opens the whole description of Prem Samput by saying that Krishna always, he said, I don't know, but he said it's the nature of Nayak, of the hero, of the man, he wants to hear how much his beloved loves him. Secretly, so eavesdrop or hear some ladies talking, and and the wife says, "Oh, my husband's so nice." Is that? "Oh yeah, I'm so nice." So this is Prem Samput. So we were just explaining this verses about Vrindavan, and who knows the true glories of Vrindavan. So I read that last night, so it came in the class. So it's saying, he said that the Kinkaris, they can know, and I said, how can they know? And I said, they can know, because Saraswati Pad is saying, he's saying in this verse, he's saying, Yad Radha Pada Kinkari Krita Rita Samyag Bhavet Gocharam. He says that Radha Pada Kinkari, the maidservants at Radharani's feet, they can understand